What is this? This is a measuring cup. What am I doing?
You are holding a measuring cup.
I am measuring flour.
Now repeat after me. Measuring flour.
What is this?
This is a spatula.
What am I doing?
I am holding a spatula. I am stirring food in a frying pan. Repeat after me.
If this helps you, smile and continue.
Practice again if you enjoyed this. What is this?
This is a spray bottle.
What am I doing?
I am holding a spray bottle. I am cleaning the kitchen top.
Now,
Viewers, are you enjoying with us? Do comment.
what is this?
This is a rolling pin. What am I doing? I am holding a rolling pin. I am rolling the dough. What is this? This is a lid. What am I doing? I am holding a lid. I am covering the pot. Now repeat after me. What is this?
This is a peeler.
What am I doing?
I am holding a peeler. I am peeling a potato.
Did you know that? Tell me in the comment below. What is this?
This is a whisk.
What am I doing?
Tell-
I am holding a whisk. I am mixing in a bowl.
Oh, I see.
Do not stop now. You are improving. Just keep in mind.
Every repetition makes you stronger.
Did you know that? Tell me in the comment below. What is this? This is a ladle. What am I doing? I am holding a ladle. I am pouring soup.
What is this?
This is a griddle.
What am I doing?
I am holding the griddle. I am making the bread on the griddle. Now repeat. These are tongs. I am holding tongs. I am cooking bread in a frying pan. Now repeat after me. What is this?
This is a jar.
What am I doing?
You are holding a jar. I am opening the jar.
Now repeat after me. I am opening the jar. What is this? This is a colander. What am I doing? I am holding a colander. I am washing vegetables. What is this?
This is an oven mitt.
What am I doing? I am wearing an oven mitt. I am touching a hot tray.
Now repeat after me.
I am wearing an oven mitt. I am touching a hot tray. What is this?
This is a knife sharpener.
What am I doing?
You are holding a knife sharpener.
I am sharpening a knife. You are sharpening a knife.
Now repeat after me. What is this?
This is a fork.
What am I doing?
I am holding a fork. I am eating food.
Did you enjoy?
Tell me in the comment below. What is this?
This is a pot.
What am I doing?
You are cooking food.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, it was great.
Tell me in the comment below. What is this?
This is a coffee. What am I doing? You are holding a cup.
I am stirring the coffee.
Oh, I see.
One day, you will speak easily.
Do not stop now. You are improving.